Let's be honest, Ray. 2024 wasn't your best year, was it? You wasted hours scrolling, overthinking, procrastinating. You said, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never came. Deep down you know it. You had the time, the potential, the energy, but you didn't use it. And that's on you. But here's the thing. 2025 doesn't have to be another wasted year. The Stoics teach us that we can't change the past, but we can control what we do next. So if you're tired of feeling stuck, this is how you make 2025 your best year ever, with discipline, purpose, and a Stoic mindset. First, let's talk about control. In 2024, you spent too much time worrying about things you couldn't change. Other people's opinions, bad grades, missed opportunities. But Marcus Aurelius said it best. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. For 2025, focus on what you can control. How you spend your time, how hard you work, how you respond to setbacks. Write this down. I will focus only on what I can control. Repeat it every morning. Next, routines. You need structure. Without it, you'll drift back into the same bad habits that ruined 2024. Here's a Stoic-inspired routine for 2025. When you wake up, ask yourself, what's the most important thing I need to do today? Start your day with purpose. At night, reflect. What did I do well? What could I have done better? This isn't about guilt, it's about growth. Do something hard every day. Take a cold shower. Skip junk food. Push through discomfort. This is how you build resilience. Finally, let's talk about motivation. Most people wait to feel inspired, but Stoics know better. Remember this, you're not promised tomorrow. Memento mori. Remember, you will die. Not to scare you, but to wake you up. Every wasted day is a day you'll never get back. Imagine looking back on 2025 and feeling proud instead of regretful. Imagine living with purpose, knowing you didn't waste your potential. 2024 is gone, but you're still here. You still have time to turn things around. The Stoics believe that life isn't about what happens to you, it's about how you respond. So what will 2025 be for you? Another wasted year, or the year you finally take control? The choice is yours. Stop blaming the world and start showing up, because your future self is watching, and they're counting on you.